and has to be assisted from the field. So ends another race, not according to schedule.
Whitsun and the world goes on holiday. A well-dressed, orderly world, until it gets to its destination. And then what a revolution in outlook a short railway journey makes. When the staid English abandon themselves, they do it with a H. Alas, Whitsun weather was not up to expectations, and although the beaches were crowded at Southend and elsewhere, there was not that radiant warmth which one requires of June. There were Whitsun weddings, of course, and gay goings-on among the camping fraternity. Whitsun ought to give some guide as to what the well-dressed bathing girl will wear this year. Yes, just about as much as usual.